Everybody. So it's July 16th, 2023, and I'd like to provide y'all an update on this YouTube invalid traffic bug slash glitch slash whatever. So if you watch my previous video, you'll see where I tweeted out to Team YouTube about this whole thing, and basically I got the runaround telling me to essentially keep in touch with YouTube creator support for the endless no help. And also, please be sure to check out these tips from Google AdSense on how to limit invalid traffic. You know, the same tips I've been provided over and over again. So, here's something interesting. So, back on the evening of Friday, July 14th, I decided to try something different. So, the first thing I tried was I tried disabling embedding on all my videos. That did not fix the issue. Secondly, I tried disabling monetization altogether, and I'd like for y'all to see what's going on here. So, forgot to mention, if you haven't been following along with this whole story, I'll go ahead and put a card in the upper right corner that way you can go back to the beginning and start from then. So, here's the thing. As mentioned, the second thing I've tried is I'm trying to disable monetization 100% altogether on my channel. All 1.6K videos currently right now have monetization disabled, and all of my YouTube shorts have been set to private because you cannot turn off monetization on those. So again, all my shorts are privated, so nobody can watch them, and also all my long form videos, monetization has been disabled. So if we look here, you'll see monetization turned off on everything. Now, of course, as mentioned, shorts, you cannot turn monetization off on them. So essentially what I've done with those is I made them private. So you can see monetization is off on everything. Yet, here's the thing. So when I go into my analytics, of course, for Saturday, July 15th, I've earned $0 because, again, I turned monetization off on the evening of Friday, July 14th. But look at this. The blasted message has returned. Ads have been limited on one or more of your videos due to invalid traffic. So this makes me really suspect that there is a bug or glitch in YouTube's system. I mean, all I've done here is I have disabled ads altogether. Monetization turned off altogether. So this message was not there yesterday. It showed up today. So this really seems to tell me that there is likely a bug slash glitch with YouTube's algorithm or something. There's definitely something wrong. Because how can there be invalid traffic when monetization is turned off zilch? With no ads being, with essentially no ads from at least me, how can there be invalid traffic? For example, if I go to content, and for example, I notice a lot of times they have estimated monetized playbacks grayed out. So, alright, let's go up here to more. Let's go add type. So, you can see what has been going on over the past several days. For example, bumper ads back on July 4th overtook my skipple video ads, and normally the skipple video ads prior to this glitch happening, they were the top earning ad type. So let's go back to the past 90 days and you'll see. Now, June 13th was the first time I'd ever seen the message about invalid traffic, and back on June 5th, YouTube Analytics originally reported that I had earned $31. Now, of course, this is not including the YouTube share, so let's go back. But you can see what's happened with skipple video ads and display ads, but especially skipple video ads. They plummeted back on June 9th. You can see they plummeted, and by the 13th, they were, of course, way down. If I close this out and we go past 90 days, you can see right here, back in late May or middle to late May, things really started to pick up with the channel, because a couple of videos in particular, especially this video right here, was really starting to take off, and you can see it earned a ton of money. Because let's face it, I believe what happened was there were some premium skippable video ads that were being played on this video, and thus earnings really got high for that one video. Now, if we look here, you can see from middle of May up through about the middle of June, or the first third of June, there were high days and low days. Ad revenue was kind of all over the place. Again, this is the revised chart. So previously there were some days where I earned, for example, June 5th was originally $31, but they've since knocked that way down to $13 and change. So however, when I look at, say for example, our overview, you can see that traffic, there was a very small, I say a little bit of a spike back on May 30th. But other than that, daily view counts were not, there was nothing really strange here. Now if you look at how viewers find my videos in the past 90 days, you can see how YouTube search makes the top of the list, followed by external, and then suggested videos, followed by browse features, and then direct or unknown. So yeah, guys and girls, what I'm going to do now is I think I'm going to take a screenshot of this and tell YouTube partner support, okay, how am I getting this message for invalid traffic when I have ads turned off? Why did the message show up after I turned off ads completely? As I mentioned, I mean, all my videos, and seriously, I went and did the filter, or excuse me, what I did is this: I chose select all and went to edit, monetization, and I selected on and clicked update. Or excuse me, I selected the off, and clicked update. So that turned monetization off for everything except for the shorts. And again, as mentioned, the shorts, I made those private, that way they weren't visible. So as we had seen in our earnings page, we're down to 0 because, as said, I turned off ads completely. This is, again, this makes me suspect even further that there is a bug or glitch going on here. And who knows, what I might try doing is I might go over to CubeCompMTDX, my second channel, which has not seen this message. I could just go over there and turn off ads for a couple of days and see if that message pops up. Not sure I'm going to do it yet or not, but this, again, the fact that I literally disabled monetization on my channel, and the following day I get this message saying ads have been limited. Yeah, it's funny, how can they be limited when I have them turned off? So, yeah. This makes me, again, suspect that's a bug. So, anyways, that's an update on the whole situation. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cuckoo channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.